Okay, so we're off the bus now. We are at the Geizers. They've encouraged us to call them geysers. Geysers? Hello everyone, quick update. It's day 2. Oh my goodness, so we just had a call from reception to say they're down there already 15 minutes early, so we're rushing. You're going to put your coat on? Yeah. So I have to go straight outside, so yeah, we're rushing to get on the bus because they're waiting for us. -7, let's do it. Well, we made it and we're still stationary, so it's not a massive problem. Are you feeling warm now, rushing like that?
I'm comfortable.
Didn't notice the cold. Okay, we're going to show you what's outside because it's still pitch black. And it's, what time is it? 8:45 in the morning.
Yeah.
Weird for us, isn't it? There we go. Pitch black. So that man's in this lovely Icelandic jumper out there, which is so cute. Got a lovely bus driver there, knows what he's doing. And now we're off and the sun is thinking about coming up. It's 9:42 in the morning and this man is so funny. Someone was just going to get on the bus and but he said it's Tui.
A very nice good morning to you all.
I'll tell you in a minute. Hello.
Garðar Gunnlaugsson is going to be driving us today. Berger is going to do the commentary, so that must be me.
This is the day that we visited the Golden Circle and the sun was just coming up as we started, and our first stop off was to a geyser, or a geyser as they asked us to call it.
Have most of them volcanoes and quite a lot of earthquake activity. So as we drive alongside this mountain here on our left, Ingólfsfjall is the name of it, you will see a fair amount of boulders and rocks lying loose on the side, and these will actually have been shaken loose by the earthquakes.
We was going to see Waterfall, Waterfall, followed by a split in the tectonic plates. Let's do it, Jasmine. Okay, so we're off the bus now. We are at the Geizers. They've encouraged us to call them geysers. Geysers? Coming up now, look at that. Look at that. Oh, gorgeous. Pretty photo. Lovely. So there we was filming the sunrise and coming up and we missed the geyser. But I just said to Jazz, look, the sun's going to come up just once today and that's coming up more than once, so let's go find it. So now we wait in between 5 and 10 minutes. That will go in the air. Look at the ice on the floor. See how icy it is. But it's okay here. If you're worried, I was worried, and it's all really gritted really, really well. So, but it's just beautiful. Let me show you. Yeah, it'd be quite magical, and I'm not wrong. So we had the moon coming up over there. Who was driving. Yeah, really, really interesting. There's a lot of different places you can walk to see them. What about that, Jasmine? How was that? That was pretty amazing. We had two big ones. Amazing. Really, fantastic. That was a bucket list ticker for me. I always kind of thought, how's that happen and what is it? And now we've seen it, and I've got a very, very cold thumb where I was trying to film it. Despite the freezing cold weather that we endured, it was all part of the experience. So if you're driving yourself, there is a big restaurant behind us that looks quite posh. Or there's this geyser centre, which we've just now calling it geysers, with the toilet and stuff, and you can fill up with fuel as well. Thank you for all the information, the driving people. So yeah, food and drinking there, I don't know what it's like because we have only just got to go back now off to the glacier. No, waterfall. So we just had our lunch and now we're going off to find a waterfall, which is over there. There's loads of people going up and down. It's a really nice lunch, Icelandic lamb soup, which was great, and they did cater for my gluten-free lunch. Really cute little restaurant. How nice is this? Look how low the sun is. Come as my girl. Come on, girl. Let's go. Let's do it. So there's a cute little area here. You can get food and drink if you're not on a package thing. Christmas trees everywhere because obviously well, it's Vlogmas time, let's face it. It's quite expensive in this shop. I've just seen a magnet is about £6. It's quite a lot. You can get your Icelandic jumpers in here as well. Cute. The waterfall was possibly one of the most difficult things, being that there was a huge amount of steps to endure which were covered in ice. It was definitely worth the physical battles that we went through to be able to take in this experience. We climbed up even further to look at it from a different angle. So we're in the shop, look, as you can see, there's me, hi, cooling off, warming up. Snazzy Icelandic jumpers that they have that are really made of wool, I think, and really warm, aren't they? Yeah, they've got, those are really nice stuff. I do like that white hat, can't lie. I'd wear that, I would wear that. Okay, so we just got off, oh, look at my face. So we just got off the coach. We are between two tectonic plates, apparently, which is between America and Europe.
I thought you said 22 tectonic plates. I was like, where'd you get 22
Between
from?
two. So we're going to go up here. I'm a bit nervous, a bit anxious about this one. It's going to be windy there, so I'll probably voice over. That's cute. Look, everything here is covered in like frost. It just looks snowy, but it's just this frosty stuff. So the sun has stayed really, really low all day. It's not come up much past this where it is now, which if I can make it focus on it there, you can see. And we have just also found out as well on the coach that we are going out hunting for northern lights tonight, which is amazing. Same guy, same coach, and he's fantastic. It's been brilliant. So I'm really pleased about that. Very excited. It feels very crunchy underfoot.
Feels like snow.
But it feels like snow, but it's not. Look at this. Wow. Oh my goodness.
When we reached the tectonic plates, it literally looked like it was something from another planet. Covered in frost everywhere, no snow, and there's a massive split in the ground. And if my memory serves me correctly from the story that we were told, as we climbed down we could see the Europe on one side of us and North America on the other side of us, so we was literally between two continents. And the land splits at a rate of 2 centimetres per year, which doesn't sound like very much, but in 2.5 million years Iceland will be two completely separate islands.
This is America and this is Europe. I'm a little embarrassed to show myself, but look at the sunset. It's cute. And how it's catching on the mountains over there. On the mountains.
So cute.
Lovely. Well, I didn't know if I could do that. Pretty anxiety inducing for me, but I did.
You did well.
Thanks. How are you feeling, Jasmine?
I'm good. I think I'm a little bit like,
bit overwhelmed.
yeah, it's just been a lot to see today. It's been incredible. Like that photo, like we've seen way better than that today.
Yeah.
And we walked in yesterday, I was like, oh, look at that photo.
I know.
And
It's
now
all
we're
things
like-
that we never ever see, isn't it?
Yeah, and just the land, like someone pointed out there's not many trees. And it's just,
It's
you
true.
can see for so far, and the visibility's been really good today.
Yeah, it's been
Like,
great.
there's no like mist or
Really good
haze or
point.
anything like that.
No, really good point.
Like obviously there's like big mountains and stuff, but other than that, the land's relatively flat, isn't it?
I
Where it's
reckon.
had like that dusting of frost, it's looked snowy without being like slippery and icy.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah, really
So I
good.
think tonight will be good as well because we'll probably see lots of stars
Yeah,
as well,
definitely.
which I know is going to freak me out, but that's fine. So what we're doing now, guys, I'm going to tell you, is we brought a load of food with us that we can have in the room, mug shots, and for me, because gluten-free has been a bit difficult, can't lie.
Lunch today was good.
Lunch was
They did
lovely.
well with that, I thought.
They did, but they didn't bring me any dessert, which is fine because, you know, I shouldn't have too much sugar either. But we have brought stuff, and I'm glad that I did because eating out, you just don't know. So we've got gluten-free crackers, which I've got here, a packet of those. And we brought some of this. Oh, it looks like a tin of cat food, which I've just joked about. Then I said to Jazzo, I need to tell you guys what I'm eating. It's John West cracker toppers. So tuna, mayo, and sweet corn. I'm sure I'm going to be fine with that. And I just, to be honest, this is going to suffice me. And then I do have a naked bath for afterwards as well. Jasmine's going to have one of those mug shots because we've got a couple of hours turnaround, haven't we? And then we're back out.
Yeah.
So we're going to sit here. I've got my coffee that I brought. I'm drinking plenty of mint water. And yeah, we're just going to chill for a bit, aren't we?
Yeah. Warm up a little bit. Although we've not been cold today. Really.
No, not been cold.
But I want to
but
make sure that I feel like I'm a little bit
warmer. So I've been wearing, I'll just tell you again, I've had a vest top, this long sleeve t-shirt, a jumper, this scarf, and then a sweatshirt over the top. And then my big scarf that goes around like that, my fluffy thing around my head, as you saw, and my coat and gloves, and fluffy tights from Marks and Spencer's. Who do I think I am? Primark. And then a big baggy pair of joggers over the top, big fluffy socks, and snow boots.
And before we came, she went, I'm not going to need all those layers.
No, I'm like, I don't.
She went, I'm glad I've got all these
Yeah,
layers.
I said, I don't get that cold. And I said, I was going to bring my wellies. I would have been so laughed at, honestly. If you're thinking about doing what I did and
I heard
going,
a group say today, however many layers you think you need more.
yeah, that's true. I mean, I have got slightly windburnt today, but hopefully I should be all right, I think, with my skin because the sun was low. I've got SPF on and the UV is 0. Yeah, so that's all good. But I think it's just literally where the wind's gone on your face and it makes you look a bit thingy. But yeah, brilliant day so far. Busy one. And the guide is great. So we're going to pick his brains tonight to find out about what we need to do for tomorrow. Hello everyone, quick update. It's day 2. I'm about to go for breakfast. I'm going to check out what the options for the gluten-free food for breakfast in this hotel. Today, we just put our weather app up and it says -6, feels like -11 because it's windy. So suffice to say, we're going to be really, really wrapping up warm today. We're going on the Golden Circle, which we got it in our mind that we get on a bus and we hop on and hop off like this in a circle around the island, looking at lots of different things like geysers or geysers. We're saying geysers. There's waterfalls. Is it the Glossfall waterfall? Looks amazing, but we've got to be very careful to stay dry because you don't want to be getting any waterfall stuff on you and then being in -11. Absolutely not. I really like breakfast actually. The only thing that's cooked up there is bacon, but that's good. Oh yeah, and eggs, beg your pardon, bacon and eggs, I'm happy with that. And there's nice yogurt, fruit, yeah, it's a good selection for breakfast. Thank you. So it's currently 8 o'clock in the morning. Jasmine says she can see frost, not too sure. But yeah, pitch black. Still pitch black out there. We're going to get daylight at about 11.
I think so.
About 11 o'clock this morning. Yeah, till 4. Till 3? 3.
3:30, I think.
Yeah, so we've got about 3 hours of sunshine. Well, it's supposed to be sunny.
I worked out 4.
Don't forget your sunglasses. It's going to be weird packing
Yeah.
sunglasses for this. So we're going to have a little barocca to give us some va-va-voom this morning. So get up just a little bit early to have our breakfast so you've got time to digest it a little bit. You might need to run to the loo before you get on the coach. So if you're out doing stuff like that, I think it's a really good idea just to set your alarm that little bit earlier. Tap water you can drink as well. Yes.
I did cool down. I googled it before and I knew it. But I did just ring reception yesterday just to make sure.
Yeah, so she got some tap water out the tap. She was like, Mum, there's all bits in it. I said, is that not bubbles? Is it not like spring water or something?
It was bubbles.
It was bubbles. So here's the sky. It is 8:15 in the morning. Still pitch black. Look at that cute Christmas tree over there. I've got so many clothes here that I'm about to put on. Okay, so we're going to have a vest top, a long sleeve t-shirt, a roll neck jumper, a sweatshirt, a pair of fluffy fleecy tights from Primark, a pair of joggers over the top.
Do you want to show them the inside of those tights?
Yeah.
They're literally
Fluffy. Look at that. Amazing. A scarf around my neck tightly. A scarf around my neck that can cover my face. This
not so
around,
tightly.
yeah, this around my head. Fluffy boots and socks. That's where my dream came from last night. I dreamt about firemen.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there we go. And obviously the polar bear jacket, aka Michelin Man, depends how old you are. And gloves.